The U.S. Supreme Court could be on the verge of deciding whether same-sex couples have a right to marry. 36 states already allow it. Interest in this case is so intense that the justices took the unusual step today of releasing an audio recording right after the lawyers argued their cases. Here's Jan Crawford.
Recognizing the gravity of their decision, the justices seem cautious about changing the long-held definition of marriage. Justice Anthony Kennedy.
This definition has been with us for millennia, and it's very difficult for the court to say, oh, well, we know better.
Conservatives suggested the court should stay out of it. Chief Justice Jan Crawford said a ruling decreeing same-sex marriage legal could harden opposition.
There will be no more debate. I mean, closing the debate can close minds.
The shift in public opinion has been dramatic. Same-sex marriage is now legal in 37 states. It's unclear from the arguments whether the court will make it legal nationwide. Liberal justices suggested the Constitution requires same-sex couples be treated as equal to heterosexual couples, as families with children. Justice Stephen Breyer.
Many gay people want to have children, and they do.
That point seemed to resonate with Kennedy, the pivotal vote on gay rights cases, and he took issue with a lawyer opposing same-sex marriage.
You had some premise that only opposite-sex couples can have a bonding with the child. That was very interesting, but it's just a wrong premise.
Even Chief Justice Roberts sent mixed signals.
I mean, if Sue loves Joe and Tom loves Joe, Sue can marry him and Tom can't. Why isn't that a straightforward question of sexual discrimination?
Now, the court could take a more incremental step, Scott, and say that if a state is only going to allow traditional marriage, it still must recognize same-sex marriages that are performed in other states where it's legal.
A decision expected in the end of May. Thanks very much, Jan.